Hey Lovies, welcome to my channel, Craft Away with May. I'm May. Welcome to my old and new subbies. I'm so glad to have you all here with me today. As a thumbnail show, we got some last minute Christmas crafts I'm ready to do for you guys. And we're going to start with this beautiful picture that I ordered off of Amazon. And I have a wood, it's not a frame. I can't think of what it's called, but I got it from Hobby Lobby. It comes in a pack, I think, of 5, and I stained it using my burnt umber paint. So we're just jumping right into things today, guys, because this is a quick, fast video. If you guys have been around for the last couple of videos, you know I'm in the process of moving, so I've just been trying to put together some, quick and easy ideas for you guys. So, once I get to my new place, get everything set up, we're gonna have more crafting powwows. So just bear with me as I try to get through these videos, the ones that I was able to put together for you guys. So what you see I'm doing here is all pretty self-explanatory, but what I did here was I took one of those, it's called a garden drain or something like that, and I just cut it in half because I only needed the 2 bottom, or just 2 pieces of it. It wasn't even half. It was like I don't know. I just needed those 2 little parts right there. Okay. Added some lights to them. I glued down that scene. It is a manger scene. I was gonna do a whole nativity video, but I decided to break it up and just kind of put different nativity scenes or nativity inspired DIYs or crafts in my video. So this, I think, is the last one, but I had it and I love the picture. It was so vibrant. But like I was saying, I just added some fairy lights to it, and we're just gonna assemble it, guys. Like these projects today are nothing complex at all, so just know that. And I recorded them in advance, so I'm trying to remember. I'm so sorry, guys. I apologize about this. This is horrible to record so far in advance and then you just forget everything that you do. Now, taking some of these wood cutouts that I think I got these from 24hourcrafts.com. I painted them in my gold paint. I think it was a Splendid Gold color by FolkArt, and I just wanted to, because the star, I don't know if you can really see it on the picture. There is like the North Star up there and everything. And then I wanted to put the 2 other stars on the other side. Anyway, that was my thought process. But I don't know if I should have did them in white or something. I don't know. I was trying to match the gold in the picture. But you guys can let me know if it came out okay. I like this. I think it came out really pretty. It's very beautiful to me in the end. But I was just trying to get stuff together, and my brain has been all over the place, guys. This has been a true journey for me. So I'm just I'm already scatterbrained most times, but it's just been a lot. But I went in with some of my Spanish moss because, again, the manger, that scene, it's just rustic and just beautiful to me, and I wanted to try to capture that in this piece. And so what I'm doing here is taking some of my gold rhinestones, and I'm just filling in the holes where and you actually couldn't really see them. At least I can see them when I was doing the voiceover. I'm like, I don't think you can really see them on camera, but I still knew they were there, so I wanted to cover them up. There were 2 holes in it because this is a hanging piece. That little circular, the actual picture is a hanging piece, and so I wanted to cover that up. Now, I decided to add in one of my wooden bows because this is the greatest gift of all, guys. And I know the bow doesn't really go there, but you guys know me. Okay, and I'm like, this is the greatest gift we can ever get, that we have ever gotten. So I wanted to do a play on that, and then I added a little rose because it just reminded me of the song. I don't want to sing it because I can't sing, but A Beautiful Rose of Sharon. That's where I got that from. Anyway, so now we're moving on into project number 2. Okay, so I'm taking another one of those wooden pieces from Dollar Tree. Came out of the same pack, and I'm gonna paint this in white, as you guys can see. I'm using the I don't know which, Wicker White by FolkArt. and I give that one coat, and then I'm going to go in with some of my burnt umber paint and just go around the outside of this piece. And so once I do that, I am going to come in with I don't know why I left this in, but I'm painting, guys. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to start with this wreath cutout piece, which I think I got this one from woodpeckerscrafts.com, and I am an affiliate with them. I do have a discount code in my description box if you guys want to check that out. Any company that I'm affiliated with, guys, I always have that information in my description box if you're ever interested to see where I got some things, because a lot of these things I've had in my stash for some time and I forget where they come from. But I'm generally a person of routine, so I will generally shop at the same places unless somebody recommends something else. But any like these little cute wood cutouts would have come from either 24 Hour Scraps or woodpeckerscrafts.com or on Amazon, but it's always in my description box, so check it out. So next, on this wood piece here, I felt like the burnt umber was a little bit too dark for me, so I wanted to lighten it up. So I did go in and do some distressing on it using that white paint, because I wanted to get that like that old school Christmas vibe, because I told you guys I'm into that red, white, and green this year, and I usually gravitate towards red and white a lot during Christmas time, but I was really into the red, white, and green this year, so I really wanted to capture that. And I felt like that adding just a little distressing, well, it was a heavy distressing actually to this, I feel like it gave me that vibe. So what I'm doing right here is I'm taking some of my white felt, and I'm just, as you can see, I was scoring it just so I could cut it down to fit it in there. That's why I did the white paint first, because the felt was really thin, and I would have had to put down 2 pieces of it, and I really didn't want to do that because it would just have made it too thick. So I know it's weird, but I was like, let's just put the white paint down and then cover it with the felt. And that worked good for me because I wanted to give the snow, that snow effect without making it too snowy, if that makes sense. But once I assemble this, you'll see what I'm talking about. I hope you guys will see what I'm talking about, because sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, all the time I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, so hopefully as we go through. So next, what we're going to do is take some of these greeting cards that I picked up from Dollar Tree. You get, I think, 12 in a pack for $1.25, and they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. So I had 2 in here that I wanted to use behind this wreath. So I pulled out one with the Santa walking towards the house with his little sack of presents, and I pulled out the one that had a snowman on it. So I was tossed between the 2. Now, this is a really good deal at Dollar Tree for $1.25 to get 12 cards. I'm like, this is really nice. This might, makes me want to go back to writing cards for the holidays and stuff, but I probably won't, guys. I'm just lazy. But anyway, I decided to go with the Santa Claus. Now, make sure if you decide to recreate this, keep that other half of the card, because on the back it has really cute little picture on it, and also the saying on the inside. You can use that and use it as inserts for other cards that you may send someone, or you can craft with them and make ornaments. Like, just keep them, don't toss them away. So I'm doing a fussy cut on this Santa Claus, and right about here, guys, I'm telling you, some juju be happening when I'm crafting, and the card just flies out of my hand. Okay, I don't know why. I don't know if that was Frosty, like, no, use me, not Santa. Don't use him, and pull it out my hand. I don't know what happens. I don't know. It just flew out my hand, and it freaks me out. Then I have to tell the juju to disappear, because, this is not the place for the juju. It's not. No, jujus are not welcome here. So once I do that, this is pretty much it. I'm just going to use that as a background. But here I cut out the snowman just to see, like, which one do I really, really want. And I like the snowman. I really did. I felt like the snowman really tied into the frame part of this, but the Santa in the house tied into the wreath part of it. So I ultimately stuck with the Santa. I did add some more fairy lights on here. I didn't take you guys through that because I just literally wrapped them around the wreath. in the back of it, and glued that little piece down, as you can see there. And then I'm just gonna put that right over the top, and it's kind of like looking through a window or door that has a wreath on it. I don't know, guys, I just thought this was cute, and any opportunity that I have to add fairy lights is, you know, I'm just gonna do it. That's just me. I'm gonna just do it. Okay, so that's what I did. All right, so once we like that, I go ahead and glue it down, because I still was kind of on the fence. Do I want to do the Santa? Do I want to do the snowman? You know, it was all that. So I just decided to go ahead and stick with the Santa, because I liked it, and it actually would look cute just like that as well. It would have been just a very cute, simple Christmas piece. But you know, I was like, I got this wreath, I need to use it, because, you know, I got to get this stuff out, guys. I have so much stuff, and I am having a time packing. It's just so much stuff, but I'm not complaining. It's all going to come together. So then I go in and add in this little laser cutout that says Merry Christmas. I put that right at the top, and I did get that Merry Christmas. It came in a pack, I think of like 12 or 15 or something like that, from Temu. Then I'm taking some of these little holly berry, they're like little scatter pieces, I guess, and I'm just putting them on either corner of this piece, and that's gonna be it for this. And I really love this. Like, I love all the projects today, even though they were like super simple, did not require a lot of work or anything. I was just well pleased, and it was just a great stress reliever for me to sit down and create these. I needed that. I needed to detach from reality for a little while, and so I really like the outcome of these. Now, this last project, this is our last one of the day, guys. I'm gonna make some ornaments for my niece. So she has 4 kids. She has 3 boys and 1 girl, and she has a set of twins. So it's 2 boy twins, and I don't know if I said that right. Yeah, but okay. She has a set of twins that are boys. That's better. So I had these little snowman rub-on stickers that I got from Temu, and I was like, what am I going to do with these? And I got the little snowmen, the pink ones, and I was like, or snow women, I guess, snow girls, or whatever you want to call them. And I was like, they're so cute. I need to use them because they're massage, right? So I had these acrylic ornaments that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby. And so I've had them for a while. I'm like, you need to do something with them. They're just sitting here. So I was like, let's make some ornaments. So I made ornaments for her 4 kids. And I'm not going to take you to the step of every one of them, but I'm just going to let you guys see how easy this is. Now, you can totally do this with any kind of stickers. You can use stickers from Dollar Tree. I know they usually have like the little puffy stickers for each holiday. And you can order them off of Temu. I know Temu is not everybody's jam, but you can order them from Amazon. You can get them all at a pretty decent price, because I have ordered some rub-on transfers from Amazon, and it's been, you get a lot. Like, I've even given some away. So you just, you know, it's a good bang for your buck. So just look into it. But you can use really any, you know, rub-on transfer stickers. You can even paint on here. Like, you can, you know, paint the back of it and then cover it in white if you're good at that kind of stuff. I'm not good at that kind of stuff. So then I took my Cricut Joy and I cut out each of their names and put them on here as well. And her name is, we call her Lele. Her name is Kalea. Or we'll call her Leia. So that's what I did for hers. I think it's so cute. And each one of these, oddly enough, the snowman, they match the personalities of each of her kids. I really thought it was super cute. So when she came over, she came to do my hair, and so I was like, oh, I got a surprise for you, and she really, really liked them. So I was happy to do this for her before I left. And then next I'm going to do the same. I'm going to take 3 of these snowmen, and I'm going to do the same exact process. But I wanted to show you guys this one, because I got to tell you guys, these are more like stickers versus rub-on transfers, but that's what they call them. But the adhesive on them is super, super sticky, man. I'm telling you guys, like, it takes some real strength to pull back. Like, I'm like, okay. Let it go. Just let it go. Then I just sand it down. Now, granted, these stickers were a little bit larger than the ornament in themselves, but I was okay with that because just a little bit of that clear came shining through, and it was okay. These came out really pretty. And here we are, guys, with the final reveal. And if you're still here writing with me, thank you so much. Look at the detail of that. And I got this, I don't know if I said, I got this picture from Temu as well. If I didn't, that's where this came from. And I just love the detail on this. Like, it just looks like it was a real carving into this wood piece. Like, I love it. I absolutely love it. It is my favorite of today, but I actually love each one of these. They were so fun, like I said, and so easy to do, and I just wanted to bring you guys some inspiration. But if you guys are still here riding with me, I want to say thank you, Lovies, from the bottom of my heart. I want to say thank you too for all you guys' help on the last video with your recommendations. You guys are just amazing. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate that you guys continue to come back and ride with me, and you are investing your time with me. I just want to say thank you. I can't thank you enough. So thank you, Lovies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you have a favorite, please let me know in the comments. You guys know I want to hear from you. If you already haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you don't, I just appreciate you being here today. So until the next video, Lovies, be safe, be kind, happy crafting your days away, hugs and kisses, XOXO, bye.